Hello and welcome you all to my YouTube channel English Lovers. And in this series of everyday verbs, today I am going to teach you the verb do and collocations with do. So how there are some fixed expressions that we always use with do. So when we speak in our day-to-day communication, we use this verb many times. So we are going to study all these fixed expressions with do. So let us begin. So here you can use do as an auxiliary verb, or it can also be called as helping verb. So in simple sentences, how it is used, we will see. So in questions, so when we speak, we say, do you like tennis? Or does he like tennis? Or do they like tennis? Or does he like reading? So here in all these expressions, do is used as an auxiliary verb or helping verb, and here like is main verb. So or in the past also, the past form of do can be used as an auxiliary. Did they like the film? Or did they like the book? So did is the past form which functions as an auxiliary. Now for these questions, there can be short answers, like if somebody asks, do you like tennis? So you can say, yes, I do. Or do you like chocolates? Yes, I do. Do they like film? Yes, they do. Or do you like the movie? Yes, I do. Or you can also say, no, I don't. Do you like the chocolate? No, I don't. Or do you like the movie? No, I don't. Does he like the movie? No, he doesn't. So you can answer either in affirmative or in negative in short answers with do. So short answers with do. So here in past also you can say, yes, I did. Did you like the film? Yes, I did in past. And here also, so does Ranjit. Okay. Next is, we can also make negative sentences with the help of do. For example, he doesn't play well, or they don't read well, or she doesn't write well, or in past, Tom didn't see it, or Mary didn't hear it. So either in present or in past, you can use the form of do. So in all these sentences, you can see that do can be used as an auxiliary verb. The verb do can be used as a general verb. So here, when we use do as a general verb, it means you are busy in doing something, in some activity. So here, you can see these sentences. So if you are doing something, or if somebody is doing something, for example, if I am reading a book and somebody asks me, what are you doing? So at that time, he uses the verb do for the activity that I am doing, and I'll say I am reading. Or for example, there are some people who are dancing and somebody says, what are they doing? So you say they are dancing. Or there are some players who are playing on the ground and somebody asks, what are they doing? So you say they are playing. So do as a general verb, do as a general verb for the activity can be used. What are you doing? It means we speak to the listener or listeners, one or many. Then what is he doing? So or what is she doing? Or what are they doing? Or students are quarreling, or children are quarreling, and we say don't do that. Here do means they are doing that activity of quarreling. So here do can be used as a general verb also. Or we say that what do you do on Saturday? Okay, I do nothing, I just relax on Saturday. So I do. Here do means as a general verb, that is for the activity we use verb do. There is one more expression with do. So when we meet somebody and we introduce ourselves and we want to know about that person, and we don't know about that person's job or occupation, so at that time we ask questions. So how that should be asked? So we should always use do in order to know that person's job or occupation. So you can say, what do you do? It means what is your job? So if you want to know that person's job or occupation or profession, use this expression with do. That is, what do you do? It means what is your job? So that person, or whoever it may be, he would say that I am a student, or I am a secretary, I am a teacher, I am a doctor, I am a farmer, I am a businessman. So if you want to know the person's profession or occupation, use this expression with do, that is, what do you do? Or if you want to ask about that person's relatives, like what does your father do? It means what is your father's job? Or what does your wife do? It means what is your wife's job? Or what does your mother do? It means what is your mother's job? Or what does your sister do? It means what is your sister's job? And what will be the answer? What does your father do? So answer can be different, or it will be in varied forms, like he is a doctor, he is a farmer, he is an engineer. Okay, so if you want to ask about job or profession, use this expression with do, that is, what do you do? There are some other fixed expressions with do, or we can also call as collocations with do. Collocations means nothing but just the word partners. So these are the things, these are the words that always go together with the verb do. So we say do plus activity. So these are all the activities. So in order to refer to the activities, we use the verb do. So here, do the housework, whatever housework may be. It may be from just the cleaning or sweeping the floor to keeping the room neat and tidy. So that work, all that work, it comes under the word housework. So we say do the housework. I did the housework yesterday, or every day I do the housework at my home. So, or she does the housework daily at her home. So use the verb do with the housework. Next is do the gardening. Now there is some work that people do in the garden. It may be watering the plants, taking care of the plants, or doing some work in the garden. So for all that, there is a verb, that is do. So we say do the gardening. So every weekend I do the gardening. Okay, or every weekend my father does the gardening. So some work that I do in the garden, that is do the gardening. Next is do the washing. So it is related to the washing clothes or washing the dishes. So did you do the washing in the morning? No, I'll do it in the evening. So do the washing. Or she does the washing every day. Or my mother does the washing every day. In that way you can speak. The next is do your homework. So with homework we use do. So we say do your homework daily. Or I'll do my homework, or he does his homework, in this way. Next is do some exercises. Here exercises is related to physical exercises that we do in order to keep ourselves fit and fine. So we say she does her exercises daily, or every day I do my exercises. So here exercises is physical activity. Next is do business with. So you can say my company does a lot of business with the US. Next is do your best. So what is do your best? That is try your level best, whatever you can. For example, we say the exam is very difficult. So we say do your best, or you can do your best. So these are the fixed expressions with do that we can use in our day-to-day communication. I hope you understood this lesson. If you liked this video, hit the like button. And if you are new to my channel, remember to subscribe it to get the latest notifications of my videos right here on YouTube. Enjoy learning, and I'll see you soon in another lesson. Thank you.